Hello friends, today I am going to teach you the second method of numerical, that is to find the real root of an equation by using Newton Raphson method. We will take one example, that is find the real root of the equation 2x cubed minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0 using Newton Raphson method for 4 iterations. Now this question will be asked for 6 marks in question number 6. Now how to attempt this? So first you start with what is the function given to you. Let us call this function as fx. It is 2x cubed minus 3x plus 6. Now here interval is not given to you. Now you have to find the interval first. Now how to find interval? So you do the rough work here. Okay, so rough work means what? You start with x is equal to 0. Suppose if you put x is equal to 0, what it will come? It will come out to be 6. Then you check with x is equal to 1. Suppose I put 1 here. Then it comes out to be, for 1 it comes to be 5, which is greater than 0. Now if you go on substituting 2, 3, 4, 5, you will get all positive values, that is greater than 0. So therefore, when you do two terms, you will get some idea that it is not possible here to get negative value. So you go for the other side, x is equal to minus 1. If you put x is equal to minus 1 here, then you will get 7, that is again greater than 0. Let us try one more, x is equal to minus 2. Then if you substitute minus 2 here, you will get minus 4, which is less than 0. So these will be your two roots, consecutive two roots. Okay, so you take only this value here, don't take these values. So let us start with f of minus 2. Means wherever x is there, you put minus 2. So for this, what you get? You get minus 4, which is less than 0. Then f of minus 1. Substitute wherever x is there, you put minus 1. So 2 times minus 1 cube minus 3 times minus 1 plus 6. Then you will get 7 for this, which is greater than 0. Greater than 0. So therefore, one value is negative, one value is positive. So therefore, product will be negative, which is less than 0. Hence, root lies between. Hence, root lies between minus 2 and minus 1. So this is the common step. Henceforth, now how to solve? You have to take 4 iterations by Newton Raphson method. Now how to apply Newton Raphson method? So by using Newton Raphson method, you write the name of the method so that you can easily follow the problem. Then by using Newton Raphson method, the first thing you have to do here is take derivative f dash x, derivative of this. So derivative of 2x cubed minus 3x, it will be 6x square. Derivative of this will be minus 3 and the derivative of 6 is 0. So this is the derivative of dash x. Then here you have to take initial term x0, initial iteration or initial approximation. Now how to take that initial term x0? You check these values. Now for f is equal to minus 2, the value is minus 4. For f is equal to minus 1, the value is 7. Now if you take a number line, mark here 0. For f minus 2, it is minus 4, means it is somewhere here, minus 4. And for f minus 1, it is 7, so it is here somewhere. So which is near to 0? This value is near to 0 or this value is near to 0? So this value is near to 0. So this means minus 4. Minus 4 means you have to take this, minus 2. This is your initial iteration. I think you have followed this. Then you start with f of x0. F of x0. Substitute here. Right here. F of x0. Now wherever x is there here, you substitute minus 2. So 2 times minus 2 cube minus 3 times minus 2 plus 6. It will come minus 4. Then you find f dash x0. Substitute here. So 6 times minus 2 square minus 3. Or 6 times minus 2 minus 3. Yes, you will get something. The value is 21. Then by Newton-Raphson method, if you want to find first iteration, the formula is x0 minus f of x0 upon f dash x0. This is the formula. Substitute the value minus 2 minus, this is minus 4 upon 21. So this x1 comes out to be minus 1.81. This is called as the first iteration or first approximation. This is the first approximation. Then we'll find similar fashion, we'll find the next approximation. Let us start here. Again, you start with f of x1. To find second iteration, you start with f of x1. Means wherever x is there here, you substitute minus 1.81 here. So 2 times minus 1.81 cube minus 3 times minus 1.81 plus 6. And you, when you solve this, you will get the answer like minus 0.429 something. Okay. Similarly, you find f dash x1. We'll substitute here. 6 times minus 1.81 square minus 3, and you will get this value as 16.66. So you can find x2. x2 is equal to, formula is x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash x1. So this will be minus 1.81 minus, this will be minus 0.429 divided by 16.66. So x2 will be minus 1.78. This is called as the second iteration. Similarly, if you want to find the third iteration, you start with f of x2 is minus 1, substitute here 2 times minus 1.78 square cube minus 3 times minus 1.78 plus 6. This comes out to be 0.06. And f dash x2, 6 times, here you have to substitute minus 1.78 square minus 3, and this comes out to be 16.01. So you can find x3. x3 is x2 minus f of x2 upon f dash x2. So substitute this value. x2 means 0.06 minus 0.06 divided by 16.01. So x3, third iteration, it comes out to be minus 1.784. This is your third iteration. Similarly, if you want to find the fourth iteration, you start with f of x3, that is 2 times minus 1.784 cube minus 3 times minus 1.784 plus 6. Then you will find out this to be 10.39. And f dash x3, it will be 6 times minus 1.784 and minus 3. This comes out to be 16.09. So x4, you use the formula x3 minus f of x3 upon f dash x3. So substitute this value, that is minus 1.784 minus 10.39 divided by 16.09, and this comes out to be minus 2.429. This is x4. This is your fourth iteration. In this way, you have to solve the problem by Newton-Raphson method. I think you have followed this. You check this out. If you have any problem, you can call me. Thank you.